Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Hope you guys are having an awesome, wonderful day. And I am just here to say hello to my old friends, to my new friends, and to just show you a small little haul. And I know I'm missing some stuff, but I just throw it in the other haul. And my stuff is always so late getting some of these videos up because I got so many other projects. This is just some basic clear gesso. I got it from Michael's and I just wanted to try it out. It's back in the bar, so we'll see how that goes. And then I got this set from Tuesday morning. I think it's the only thing I got from Tuesday morning that day. But it was a $4.99. I took something back and I exchanged it. And it was a $4.99 set. And it says, "Be still, hello beautiful, you are enough." And then, I'm sorry. You are enough. Just let it go, shine bright, believe in something every day. Follow your heart, bloom and grow. Love will find a way. And I have, you know, quite a few of these stamps. And I'm trying to look at them right now to see if I have this set. And I don't think I do. No. I don't have that set. So good. That's good. Because I was like, oh, I have to take it back if I do. But nope, I don't have that one. Okay. So anyway, and then on the other side, it was for $5 for both sets. So it says, "Be still, you are enough, kindness matters, family is forever, love will find a way, bloom and grow, follow your heart, every day is an adventure, believe in yourself, shine bright, just let it go, hello beautiful, you are enough, and be still." And I don't know why they stapled them this way and they made them that way, but they were like that in several stores. A 2-pack for $4.99. Probably got the time you see this video, they're gone. But over here it says, "Urgent, important this week, meals, party, date night, payday, visit, holiday, vacation, call, birthday, don't forget gym, shopping notes." Again, these would and goes on day off. And so you just your icons and stuff, and then it has other words like groceries, must do today, tomorrow, auto, doctor appointments, send, clean, remember miscellaneous, due to buy, dinners, and laundry. So it was just basically a planner stuff that you could use, or just also for inchies or twinchies because they're small teeny stamps. But yeah, so I got that. Then this, I got this a couple of weeks ago and I haven't showed it yet. And I have the other one coming in. But I got this from Craft Stash by Sam Colcott, and this is the one set. I was waiting to see if the other was going to come in. I'm ordering the other stamp set, die set, but the stamps and stuff are still out. So this is a 9-piece shoes, handbags, die set, and of course Lisa, my girl from this little Scrappy, she got me tempted. She enabled me. Shoes and bags stamp set right here, and here's the dies to go with it. So 9 dies and 11 stamps, and they're nice size as you can see. So really excited to play with that. I haven't opened them yet. So they come in here, nice pretty metallic, like blue-green. So that's pretty cool. I love that color. At least that'll stand out. And then this one I ordered. I was waiting on the stamp set to come back in. I meant to take it out of my cart, but I ended up paying for it. So I got this without the stamps. So it's a 13-piece set. So hopefully I will be able to get the stamp set because they are out. I did get these two. This is the Super Slider collection, and this is the rectangular 5x7 mix a card, and it also has a zigzag slider. So right here, and these extra little pieces come up there. It says glamour, beautiful. It's 18 pieces, 66 elements. Maybe you can make it 66 different ways. Just only 18-piece die set. Again, it's right in here, so you can see the size. And your layer, and then go along with it. Isn't that color so gorgeous? I love that color. It's like a metallic jade or something. And then lastly, I'm getting the circle one. I'm ordering that one. And hopefully the stamp set to go along with this one will be up. So this one is the Super Slider, again by Sam Colcott. Ooh, I need to go to bed. Sam Colcott, and this is 21 pieces, and this says Love XO, and it's got the glasses and stuff, and this is about 6, but this one is the square one. It makes Ooh, almost lost that. The whole. So let me take that out. So that's my set. I love it. It's girly. It's pretty. And I'll be excited when I get the rest of the pieces with it, because these can go with anything. You don't have to use the glamour set to go with it, but if you look on the line, the colors are so super pretty that she used to make out of these stamp sets. And on to my other video because I got to show it in my Scrapbook.com video. And no, I didn't. This is from, it is Scrapbook.com, but it was something new that I got. And it was this. This came free. They always give you something free when you do Scrapbook.com. That's your nice friend. Thanks to Lisa. Lisa was Scrappy. Turning me on to that. And I bought, so I'm moving everything around because I got to do my Zoom meeting. I just moved my stash and I forgot to add this to it. I got this stamp set that says Jesus is a rock, and that is how I roll. But first, Jesus, here's to grace-filled week. Jesus is greater than me. All I need is Jesus and glitter. Jesus is the best friend forever. Do more of what makes you not happy but holy. That's why I really love that one. That's why I got it. Jesus saves y'all. This girl loves Jesus, and that's Technique Tuesday. Then I got this one by Technique Tuesday. Scrapbook, it makes everything better than even Mondays. What do you mean scrapbook? It doesn't count as exercise. Scrapbook is make the best friends. Scrapbook is happiness. Kill them with kindness. Born to scrapbook, forced to work. My craft room isn't messy. I have just everything on display. Love is a well-stocked craft room. Scrapbooking fills my day, my dining room, my bedroom. I enjoy romantic walks down the craft aisle, and I just want to make pretty things. And then the other thing I got was this one ATC stamp by Tim Holtz. And I'm rushing through this video because I had to add this on. Sorry, my battery's gonna go dead. But it's the background stamp for the ATC. And the real reason why I had this order, and it's just, here it is I got this from Simon Says Stamps, 2 of them. This is the binding system for the wall box, and they come in different boxes. I got this from Scrapbook.com. I got one, and this from Simon Says I got 2 of these. They hold up to 6 boxes on the wall like that. And you may have seen this before. It's a couple years old. It didn't come with any screws, so I gotta get some screws. I only got one because I want to see how it looks. And inside of it, they have different boxes. They have boxes that hold washi and just empty boxes and different stuff. But the one I got, the whole stamp. So you see my hauls recently, I got a lot of stamps. Although we're not putting jewelry and $9 in here. But I just try to cut that out. They're made to have, sorry about the sound, because it's noisy. But they're made to house 10 different stamp sets. And they said 4x6, but I put 2 in here and it's still closed and it didn't come out. I put one in here with an index card. I tried one with rubber stamps and an index card just to see. So I'm going to fill that all up, and I'm going to play with it for like a week or so and see if it holds. If it does, I'm going to go back and get the rest of those because I think it's pretty cool to have that, so I can get rid of these cases, which is what I have been storing my stamps in. And they take up a lot of space, so I thought I would just use some of the wall space to try this out and see how that works. If anybody has this system, let me know if they like it or not, if anything breaks down on it, or, you know, if these doesn't last or anything. And these are not removable. I don't know like how durable they are. Like I said, they know it's, but other than that, it seems to be okay. At least the case seems to be sturdy. I think it says the holds up to like 5 pounds or something. So I'm just curious if anybody has that and what they think of it. So if you have it or you know anybody that has it, let me know your comments. So my first is trusting, and then I did get a couple sheets of paper. All things are possible with a little mascara. Treat yourself. Day Spa. May your eyeliner be even and your foundation perfectly blend. Go boldly in the direction of your dreams. Messy hair, don't care. Strong's the new pretty. Too glam to give it. Have a great hair day. And this is for Echo Park, and this is called Salon, and that's the B side. And these are your 3x4s, and these are your 4x6s. Chop it like it's hot. Happy hair, happy life. Wake up, makeup, and makeup. Eyes without lashes are like cake without frosting. Lipstick is the girl's best friend. Watch Me Snip Now and Watch Me Spray. Again, same paper pad, and that's the B side. And then these 4x3s. On a bad day, there's always lipstick. Salon Chick. May your day be as amazing as your hair. Eat, Sleep, Contour. Beauty begins the moment you decide to always be yourself. Makeup is my art. You are beautiful. But first, mascara. I got 99 hobby pins, but I can't find one. Oh my God, ain't that true? You know, I used to sit in my face. I was like, that is so cute. You know, I'm not a big makeup person at all, but I like the glam life. So the last part is I forgot to show. Got this little tray. My girl Lisa was from Miss Little Scrappy had got me tempted in these trays, and she was saying, this is great for your ATCs. And I was like, yeah, cool. So I went and got them, paint this up, both of these. This thing is coming apart already. Of course, it's $1, but I do have some Easter styles, so I can glue that back. But I thought this was really cute for $1, and this is a good ATC holder, you guys. Decorate it and put whatever you want in it. I mean, you can put an iCad in here too, but you have to stick it up that way. Speaking of which, I did get these. These are the 4x6, so this is for some iCads. 3-pack for $1. Slightly bold, so not 100% straight. I'm assuming that's probably why, well, Crafted Square made them, but you know, they probably just from another brand that was bent and they put their label on them. That's pretty much probably how they went. But they're nice to experiment with, and I'm not selling it, or, you know, it's for me, so I'm good with that. And what else did we have? Some googly eye stickers, just in case. I don't know what I'm going to use with it. They got these cute little birdies. I thought this would be cute on a zine or ATC or something like that. So I got those, primarily zines. I used to get these for zines. I think I have the stencil, but I picked it up just in case. So nice, you know, recipe stuff. And I'm pretty sure I have this as well, but I only got another one. Just thought it was cute because these are rub-ons. But then when I look at that close, I'm not sure. Maybe I didn't, because I don't remember those. The teacups are for me, but maybe I don't remember the hearts. But it's cute. But I thought these would be nice to add to any kind of project. It doesn't have to be mixed media, but kind of that. And then the last thing was this book. I think that's the last thing from the Dollar Tree, and that was this. A writing book on how to write, but it was from a comic point of view. Not necessarily to write comic strips, but it was, I don't know, just got it was on how to write a book, but it was written in shorthand, which to me is a comic strip, instead of writing in the long pages. I don't know, I was intrigued and I got it. So anyway, that is my haul. I think that's everything right now from the Dollar Tree. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care, God bless. Bye-bye.